Magnetic lashes are one of my favourite products, and here is how to apply them. I already have the Megans on, so I'll show you how to take them off first. Gently pinch the tips of the lashes and pull them away from your natural lashes. Try not to pull them apart as they are very delicate and it could pull the magnets off. Push them together and they should slide apart like this. Once you have separated them, pop them back in their box and this will help them last longer. To apply, gently take the top lash, this is the one with the magnets underneath, and place it on top of your natural lashes as close to the lash line as possible. Take the lower lashes and put them into your eye as if you're popping a contact lens in. The aim is to get them as close to your lash line as possible. You should feel the magnets click together and voila, they're on. Now you need to blend them in using a black mascara. I'm using the Yumi It Perfect Black Mascara. Pop a little on the inner and outer corner of your lashes to blend the magnetic lashes in. They should feel super lightweight and look natural. Quicker and easier than old-fashioned strip lashes and a great alternative to lash extensions. More tips and tricks are listed in the description. Thank you for watching.